Who's Ash?
That was me.
Oh, pleased to meet you, Ash. I'm John. You
Hi.
spoke to me on the phone. What's your name?
I'm Nate.
Nate?
Yeah.
Right, pleased to meet you, Nate. Do you want me to go ahead of you, Roy? Yeah. 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 Yeah, that's it. And as we start our descent into Lyme Regis, I'd just like to say a few words for posterity. This is the 2024 Dopey Bikers Ride Out, organised by Nate and Ash in aid of Hospiscare. Well done, Sam.
Thank you very much.
Nice work.
Didn't kill anyone.
That was fantastic, guys. Well done. I really enjoyed that route, and there was a good few roads I haven't been down before. So thanks for that.